This is the capture system. It looks like just a stack of note cards, but I want to show you how and why I designed this. So the original idea came about because I was using our analog cards, the backs of them, to write notes on. And I'm always jotting things down, I'm always turning them over and making notes when I'm on phone calls and sketching out things. And I loved this card format. I loved the idea that it was a card, it was self-contained, I could place it somewhere, I could stand it up, I could hand it to somebody, but I would always run out of space. So the idea was really to take the analog card and extend it so you can see the same size of the same height of an analog card and extend it and make a larger card where you're getting that same thick cardstock that stands up and is self-contained, but it gave me more space to jot down an idea or sketch out something. And I found myself reaching for these cards all the time for everything, whether it was a product idea or I was taking notes in a meeting. There's something about the actual card format that I found really freeing because the cards themselves could be moved around, I could rearrange ideas. So after I came up with the idea to create the capture cards, we wanted to design a nice way to keep them on your desk and keep them always within reach. And that led us to make a stackable system. So we designed a bunch of different little clips to connect the two trays so that they were stackable, and went through a bunch of little iterations to create a system that almost acts like Legos, where they stack together and they stay together. So here's what it looks like. The finished clip attaches onto the back of the capture tray, and then there's little holes in the bottom of the analog tray that connect onto the capture tray. And then once these are together, you can see these hold together and it's perfectly streamlined, it's nice and neat. And now I have a place to grab my analog cards and my capture cards all in one unit. The organization system is kind of hidden in the design of this. So the tray itself just looks like a stack of cards, but under here we actually designed a little hidden flap that allows you to slide the cards underneath the stack with one hand. So if you're taking a card out, you're writing on it, and then you're like, what do I do with this? You can easily just slide the card in underneath the stack because we created that little raised flap. And that just makes a really nice self-contained system. So it's like a note system, but it has the flexibility of the analog cards and the format of them.